Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hi. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Why are you laughing at me already? See, I keep trying to do this intro and she keeps laughing at me and telling me it's bad, so we're sticking with this. Anyway, it's the weekend right now, so we're going on a road trip today and tomorrow to 2 different places, and I never have any videos to post, so I just decided to vlog, and this isn't horsey related at all, so I have to tell them that because lots of people, you know, horses.
Yeah.
She doesn't do horses, she's a non-equestrian. Anyway, so if you want to watch a horse video, this is not for you. Basically, we're going to get food. No, what are we going to get? We're going to get clothes now, because we need some clothes for our road trip, and then we're driving down to the place. It's only like an hour and a half away, and then the one tomorrow is 2 hours. So why are you holding it like that? That's a terrible angle. It's fine if it's the side of my head. There you go.
There you go.
So anyway, yeah, we're going to the shopping centre, and then we're going to this place that has big sand dunes to do sandboarding. She wanted me to keep it a mystery, but I don't really see the point in that. So that's the plan for today. Okay, so we're currently en route. We went to the, I haven't vlogged this whole time. We went and got bathers. It was quite an ordeal. We had to get someone to come reach them for us a lot of times because we're both short. And I would laugh if a cop came. Yeah,
Good excuse.
I'm not driving right now. This is actually an edit of like, we're actually still right now, so I'm not driving. Just yeah, that's an edit. It's an edit of the moving in the background to make it seem like we're driving.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, so we got our bathers, and then we went and got like this, you know, when you like fill your container up with whatever you want. We did that and add the noodles, and they were really bad and oily, so that wasn't great. And now I think we've got like another hour left, and we've been driving for like 45 minutes. We made it to the sandboarding place, and you can't really see the dunes, but they are out there. We've got our sandboards here. People are looking at me. Ariel does not look like she's about to sandboard. Yeah, city bitch.
Well, I successfully went down. She did not.
Here we have Ariel tackling the sand dunes. Dun, dun, dun. The sand dunes are a bit of a fail from all the rain. Look at that couple up there. How depressing. According to Ariel, we had a really productive session. Basically, the dunes were like a fail because it rained a lot. And so you didn't really move at all, and yeah,
It was good times.
we just basically sat here trying to take a good photo for like 20 minutes, and we didn't get one. So
We got one.
of our backs.
Nope. We're gonna try to get up this hill.
Guys, I don't know if it's in 4-wheel drive.
She's unaware. Wait, that didn't make sense. Oh no, you're not in 4-wheel drive.
But it is. I think it just hasn't
Kicked in. Oh, oh yes, Siddle. Oh shit, the chips. Okay.
So like we're on the beach, but I don't really know how to full drive.
So we're on the beach, but I don't really know how to.
That's not how I talk. Anyway, we're gonna eat our food and then we'll, you know, deal with that issue later. I think that guy was really judging me. I don't know why. I just like parked next to him because there was a lot of cars parked. And then he left. I should probably get my keys out the car. Here's Ariel. She told me to vlog.
Yeah,
Here's
it's
a
aesthetic.
pizza.
Ocean.
So we're bogged.
Called it.
Like really badly. I was trying to turn around because I saw it got boggy and then it got bogged.
Way better.
Okay, so basically, it wouldn't go out of four-wheel drive because I just had to like drive a bit fast because it kept being in four-wheel drive, but all we had to do was like get a bit of speed. So
We
had
called
to,
my dad.
Yeah, we had to consult her dad because clearly I'm a four-wheel driving expert. So basically we went on the beach, it was all well and good, and then there was this bit that was like really sandy and I was like, oh, let's turn around, and then I tried to turn around and it got bogged. And like my car's a manual, so it just kept stalling and stalling and stalling. And then I made it out. We got it. So
We're all good.
that was good driving of me, if I do say so myself. And
She also nearly ran over a kid.
oh, this kid ran right in front of my car. We have it on video. So you can see the kid ran in front of my car. It's 4:20 right now. Are we just gonna go?
I don't know.
There's nothing really
It's-
else to do
we're
in
in
Lancelin.
Lancelin.
Hi guys, we're back. I don't know if
We
this is
are.
a different vlog or not. If this is a different vlog, welcome back to another video. But I think it's going to be in the same vlog because we didn't video that much yesterday. Anyway, what time is it? It's like 11:30 nearly. We're going to get stuff for our picnic. We were going to drive like 2 hours to go to this really pretty lake, but we're not even swimming, so like it just seemed a bit pointless just to get photos, you know, and like aesthetic picnic vibes. So now we are probably just going to like this, it's still a pretty place just near my house with like rapids. I mean, you could swim there, but we're not going to swim. So that's what's happening. We're going, can you like stop moving it so much? You're really
I'm
bad at
sorry, I'm
holding the camera.
shaking. I shake a lot.
Anyway, yeah, we're going to get food. That's the situation for a picnic, and
It's gonna be aesthetic TikTok picnic.
it's probably not. We just got so much food for a cute picnic, and look.
It was so aesthetic too.
Is this literally a joke? Here is our food. We've got fruit, sushi, biscuits, a cake, juice. She's making sandwiches. Okay, so we have our picnic. It looks very aesthetic. We're definitely not gonna eat all this.
Stell did the sweet plate.
Anyway.
I did the savoury one.
Delicious, delicious. Look at that, how cute is that? And we've got our wine glasses for the cake and the actual drinks. And we just took a lot of videos and yeah. We're watching Wreck-It Ralph, and we've got our picnic of a lot of food, and I just had to show it again. Guys, we tried.
We did.
We we probably ate about maybe nearly half. No,
Not
like
at
a
all.
quarter.
No, yeah,
But
like.
don't worry, we're gonna save it all and
We're
eat it
going out tonight.
to the outdoor drive-in cinema.
Watching
So-
the weather.
Yeah, we'll be taking this because we failed at eating it all. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm going to end it here because we're not really doing anything that interesting for the rest of the day. We're just going to the drive-in movie tonight, but that's not going to be very interesting to vlog anyway. So I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next video, whenever that is, probably in another few months. Anyway, bye guys, thanks for watching. My ending to the vlog was really depressing last time, so I'm going to read you the ending. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.